So that's where I ended up mounting my battery. Good old Liperior 2200. I like these batteries. I had it mounted long ways to mounted long ways to the fuselage underneath, but evidently I couldn't get far enough close to the firewall to get a good balance on it. Of course, some said mounting it on top would make it easier to plug in the battery, but I kind of like the clean top look. Handle lock's not too bad. Probably easier on the landing gear. Especially right here in this pumpy field. I get good at hovering, I'll try to do one of them hover catches, but not right now. Windsurfing with the edge. That's a nice edge pass the other way. Reverse it and come back. I've been cutting it about a minute short because I've had to run the throttle pretty much half. I forgot my battery checker again. Settle down to the ground. Hold that torque roll out, dang it. Good balance right now. I'm not trying to hear you all the time. I wouldn't try to fly this without that R on board. I got it in 3D rates. I can direct control the little wind shear and gust. Turn. Torque roll out. Ah, that was much smoother landing.